Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to use auto caption in CapCut. One of the easiest way to use professional subtitle in your video in a seconds, and it is very easier whether you're a beginner or pro. This video is meant for you. It will save your time, it will boost your video engagement, so stay tuned. What are auto captions? Auto captions are a powerful AI feature in CapCut that automatically generates subtitles by analyzing your video's audio. And this is super helpful for content creators because most people scroll with their sound off. So captions keep your viewers engaged and watching longer. This is how to add auto captions in CapCut. So the first thing you do is to open CapCut, then start a new project by clicking on new project, then import your video file. Okay, you can see I just imported my video file. So the next thing I'm going to do is to crop out the unwanted part. So I'm going to highlight the video, then use split, then highlight the leftover side, then delete. So the next thing you are going to do is to click on text 2 at the bottom of the menu, then choose the option auto caption from the list. Then the next thing you are going to do is to select your language. Here you can select your language. If you are from Arabic, you select Arabic, Chinese, Dutch, Filipino, and English. I'm going to select English. Then from this option shown here, you are meant to select the font style that you want to use. So I'm going to use this first one. Then the next thing you do is to click on generate. So you can see they are generating your captions. So let's play the video. And that is it. So the next thing you are going to do is to tap on each caption to edit the words manually if needed, because sometimes you might say something and the auto caption might generate something, some errors in your light up. So you have to edit it. How to edit it? You can see this symbol, like pencil symbol. You have to click on it, then you edit it to your required words. So when you are done with this, you can be able to change the font size, color, animation for better visibility. So how to do this is to click on style. When you highlight it, you click on style, then you can be able to change it to any of the font style you want here. You can be able to change it to this. Auto caption, you can be able to change it to this. And that is it. If you want, you can be able to add animations just like this. There are different animations here. Let me check this out. And that is it. And see, able to change the color. All the options are here. Do you understand? All the options are here. Then here, this is where you will be able to edit your captions, so that you have to go through your caption generator so that you collect the errors in the words. So when you're done with this, then remove filters words, then save it. You can be able to move the text around on the screen to fit your content style. For instance, as the words is being highlighted, I can be able to move it to anywhere to fit in to my content style. I think this is good. Then let's play the video. And that is it. When you are done, the next thing you will do is to export your video. If you want to export your video, you click on this AI Utual HD. Then you increase your resolution to 1080p. Then you increase your code rate to recommendable in the middle. But if you still want it, you can still increase it to any length you want, or increase this to 2000 or 4000. Then export. Boom, your caption video is ready to post. And that is it. Auto caption makes video faster and friendly to get more engagement and easier for your viewers. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment if you want more tutorial relating to CapCut. See you in my next video.